Hi everybody and welcome, and enjoy this upload from Raimondo Lee Motors. Please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, that'd be amazing. So we are doing a drive today up through the village of Edwinstowe. We are heading up towards the Sherwood Forest Visitor Centre, and then I'm basically going to be looking for a place to park the car. So it's just a short one this episode. There's going to be no other talking in this. I'm going to play some music. I had a problem with the mount, so this is the reason why there's no sound on it today. However, in the next part, I'll be doing the drive back through the centre of the village, and there will be commentary. So I hope you just enjoy this ride with us, folks. Thank you, and have a great day. Thank you. So yeah, as we come to the end of that, the dog there didn't want to walk on the grass, it wanted to walk on the road. It was really having a bit of a battle with the dog there. And we did eventually find a parking space here, and then was able to walk straight up this lane to the left, which took us up to the major oak. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please remember to go over to Raimondo Lee Travel and check out the walk we did. Thank you very much for your time today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to check out the playlist. Bye.